Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we'll be eating Veg Zinger Burger from KFC.
Yes. So we've got a burger meal from KFC today, a veg burger meal because we're vegetarians. And the burger is called Veg Zinger Burger. Okay.
This is fries.
Okay. These are the fries. Okay, let me just keep it here.
This is the burger.
Yeah. So this is the burger. All in green.
Burger.
Yeah. What else do we have here? Okay, we have our tissues.
Sauce
And ketchup. Cool. So, okay, and what drink have we got today?
This is called Choco Lash.
Yeah, Choco Lash. It's called Crushers.
Yes.
KFC's Crushers. It's a chocolate flavored crusher, I'm assuming. And I'll just keep this aside. And like we always do, we'll just have our fries.
Fries.
How can we forget the fries? No meal is complete without fries. They've not given enough tissues, I think. And my fries go here. Have a tissue. Oh, there are a few fries in the back. Here you go. You can have some. So let's get into eating. I want to remove the seal first of all. So I'll just remove the lid. Something is not right with the tape that they have sealed it with. Okay. Looks nice. Excited.
Yeah.
Okay. First off, I'm going to start with the burger.
Yeah.
So this is the Veg Zinger Burger. There's a patty. We've got some extra cheese here, a sauce, and first lettuce.
Yes. Cheers.
It's crispy.
Yes.
I think the patty is made of potatoes. There's some corn, peas, a bit of paneer, I guess.
Yeah, bit of paneer is there, yes.
Crumbed paneer.
Crumb paneer.
Not the huge blocks. I can see corn. You know, KFC, when they had first come out in India, they had a paneer zinger burger. So this is the Veg Zinger Burger. They had a different one. There was a paneer zinger burger. And the patty was complete paneer with a very delicious sauce inside. It was so delicious. And I miss that burger so much. You know, I always feel like, you know, I need to talk to the KFC guys and just plead them to bring back that burger. So guys, KFC guys, if you are watching this video, please bring back the paneer zinger burger. It was really awesome. And for the vegetarians, it was the best burger. I used to love that burger. Every go-to burger. Paneer zinger burger. But I don't know, they discontinued it. Bad decision. Bring it back.
Let us have some fries.
Yeah, go ahead. This is not bad. This is good. I like it. But you know, KFC had such a good paneer burger that I miss it so much. You know, nothing can beat that. I hope you are enjoying your meal as well. And I see the peas.
Yeah, I see a carrot over here.
And they've added all the vegetables.
Yes. It's nice, good.
And it's quite crispy. Which is your favorite burger from KFC? Or which is your favorite kind of chicken from KFC? Because obviously KFC is all about the chicken. So let us know in the comments below. Even though we are vegetarians, we would have a look at your comments. Did you try this?
No.
Okay. What is it? This is the
Choco Lash.
Okay. Choco Lash. It's quite cold. Crusher.
Yeah.
I think it has Oreos.
Yeah, I think it's Oreo, I guess.
Yeah. It's definitely Oreo.
Yeah.
It's like a Oreo chocolate milkshake kind of a drink. It's good. You know, at this fast food chains, I like to try different drinks that they have to offer. Apart from the usual carbonated drinks like Pepsi, Coke, I actually like to try their customized drinks. Like KFC has these crushers. They have a lot of other flavors also. They have a virgin mojito flavor. I think they have a strawberry one. They have a mango one. We chose the chocolate one because we Oreo chocolate and lots of ice is always a very good. Do you want ketchup?
Yeah. You want?
They're very lightly salted.
Mm.
Not too much salt. So guys, how has your summer been? Well, where I live, the summer has not showed up at all. We had summer for like 1 or 2 weeks, and then we just had rains. It rains every other day. How is your summer vacation? What you had in summer? So since it's been raining, we are just craving for burgers, and we're going back to back burger videos.
I think so.
Yeah, it's basic. I love my burgers with extra cheese. Always.
Yes.
You can't enjoy them without extra cheese. My policy is very simple. When you're going for it, go all out. When you've decided to have junk food, go all out. Don't stop yourself from having any. But yes, after that one day, go back to your regular diet.
Last bite.
My last bite is so small and his last bite is so big.
Yes.
Okay. Burger done! Crusher. It's really delicious. It's really cold. But I like it. They haven't salted it well.
Very light.
Yeah. I don't want to need ketchup. So I'm back with a bowl just to, take out some ketchup because the fries are not salted enough. They're very bland. I don't like bland fries. So I'm just going to have it with some ketchup. I usually don't have my fries with ketchup. It's very rare because the salt is usually enough for me. But since there is no salt, I need something to make my fries a little less bland. So here we go. So these are the biscuit crumbs along the side. Oh, I can almost see the...
Yeah.
What do you call it? The smoke, the...
Fog or something?
No, I think it's smoke.
Yeah,
when something is very cold and then like air coming. So it's so cold. See?
Yeah.
It's quite cold. It's actually nice. A very good drink for the summer. Even though we are having it in monsoon. No, it's the football season. FIFA World Cup. So which team are you supporting? I don't follow football much, but yeah. A lot of my friends in office always keep discussing. Let me know which football team are you following? Or are you supporting?
Put it in the comment box.
So I just keep forgetting to add ketchup to my fries. But I'm not used. I feel very happy when I get those long... Like the potato must have been so big, right? For a fry like this. I want to get bigger fries. I like to eat fries. You're quite fast today.
Yes.
He's quite hungry.
Yeah.
Yeah. We haven't had a proper breakfast today. So, to compensate for the breakfast, we are having a very heavy, they are quite standard, no? All the burger meals. They have a burger, they have a fry, and they have a drink. I don't know. What else could we have with a burger? Apart from the fry. Not many options here in India. They just offer you the standard. Really like fries.
Me too.
Choco Lash. Crusher. KFC.
Still like.
Yeah, but nice one. So guys, do give us some ideas, like what kind of videos would you like to see in the future? What kind of food do you want us to try? So again, we are vegetarian, so give us more vegetarian options. What kind of videos do you like? Do you like challenge videos? Do you like videos where our mom is preparing something for us, where we put in our recipes? Or do you like such kind of videos where we get food from popular fast food restaurants and eat them and have a conversation with you guys? Give us some ideas. We'll try to incorporate them in the future. We haven't done a taste test video for a long time. Do you like those kind of videos? Yeah. Where we try out new snacks in the market and give you our opinion on that. I should catch up, or else, you know, Weber will be very smart and he'll try to help me. Yeah. I don't want his help.
Don't worry, I can help you now.
I don't want his help.
If you want my help, please contact me anytime.
Yeah. If you have excess paneer with you, delicious yummy paneer, feel free to contact Weber. He'll help you. Self-proclaimed paneeraholic. New word, paneeraholic. I'm actually full. I think the burger was quite big. Or maybe I'm not hungry enough. No, but we didn't have breakfast. Yes, the burger. It was quite full. I bet he can have it. What you can help me with the fries. I don't like the fries too much, but yeah. Go ahead. Yeah, take it.
Thank you.
So, you can have it.
No.
Which I'm a very kind sister. You can give me that.
No. I can have
it. But a sister. You would never do that. Almost towards the end of the drink as well. The burger was good, but again, KFC guys in India, if you happen to watch this video, please bring back the Paneer Zinger Burger. Show some mercy on the vegetarians and bring back the Paneer Zinger Burger. With the same sauce, same recipe, same kind of paneer. Yes, amazing. He's quite fast today. Done with the fries. On to the shake. Oh, yeah. Crusher.
Crusher, yeah.
It's not a shake. It's a crusher. KFC crusher. I'm so full. Love the Oreos. How do you know why it's called crusher?
Why?
Because they crush the Oreos. There is another explanation to call it a crusher. It's not because they crush the Oreos. But yeah, it's amazing. And it fulfills your requirement of having a dessert after you make the last sip. So that was us enjoying the KFC's Veg Zinger Burger. So if you happen to have a favorite burger or chicken at KFC, do let us know in the comment section below. We would like to know. Thank you so much guys for all the love and support. If you like the video, show us that thumbs up button. Subscribe to our channel. Hit that bell icon so you get regular notifications whenever we post a new video. And guys, the subscribe button is free. You don't have to pay anything. So yeah, go ahead and click on that button. And yeah, I think that's it for today's video. So see you in next video. Until then,
bye.